Hi everyone, my name is Ranjan Relan and welcome to my course Build Your First Tableau Dashboard. I am a data and tech strategy consultant with over 12 plus years of experience in the field of data analytics and management information system, which includes business intelligence, big data and data science. From early caveman's paintings to today's dashboard, it is in human nature to simplify the complexity and to achieve it in today's digital world, where there has been an information overload due to multiple digital sources such as mobile, tablet, laptop, etc. Dashboards become all the more relevant to bring visibility to your business and save time. As they say, greatest value of a picture is when it forces you to notice what we never expect to see. In this course, we are going to build dashboard and derive insights on highly contagious COVID-19 virus, which has started spreading rapidly from the beginning of year 2020. Some of the major topics we will cover include build popular graphs such as map, bar plot, heat map, etc. Build dashboard and store in Tableau. Understand how to export and publish insights. By the end of this course, you will realize how easy and simple it is to use Tableau and build complex visualization in a matter of few minutes. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn building visualization in Tableau with the Build Your First Dashboard course at Pluralsight.